If you see the message, we limit how often you can do certain things on Instagram, it means that you have temporarily lost the ability to perform certain actions like liking, commenting, following, or unfollowing due to excessive or spammy behavior. And here's how you can resolve this issue and avoid future restrictions. First of all, you have to take a break from Instagram. Wait for the restriction to lift, and temporary blocks typically last between 24 to 72 hours. During this time, avoid actions that may be considered spammy, such as mass liking, following, or commenting. And once the restriction is lifted, gradually return to normal usage without overdoing it. Instagram restricts actions when it detects unusual activity patterns. To prevent this, avoid mass following or unfollowing the accounts. Follow no more than 50 or 100 accounts daily. Limit likes and comments. Keep it under 200 to 300 likes or comments per day. And diversify your activities. Engage in the variety of actions instead of repeatedly liking or commenting on the post. Clear your Instagram cache. Click and hold the Instagram application, tap on the eye icon, and then scroll down and go to storage, and then click on Clear Cache. You can also try uninstalling the application and reinstalling it again from the Play Store or App Store, and your account might be flagged if you're using third-party apps for automation like bots for likes, followers, or comments. To remove them, you have to go to Settings first, scroll down, and then go to your App and Media section, and then tap on App Website Permissions. Click on App and Websites, and delete any suspicious or untrusted third-party apps. You can also use the Instagram's native features, like Instagram algorithms monitor third-party tool usage. To avoid being flagged as spam, stick to the Instagram's built-in features such as stories, posts, reels, direct messages, and avoid third-party automation tools that perform bulk actions. You can also try logging out of your account and log back in, and then restart your device and log back into Instagram to see if the restriction is lifted. Ensure that you're not using a VPN and report to the Instagram official help desk to get assistance, and wait for Instagram to review your account. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.